Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Wouldn't you agree that having a good set of headphones is absolutely a must in today's world? When I got this pair of headphones from Symphonized, I wasn't sure what to expect. Would they be any different from other headphones that I have? When I listened to music in them for the first time, I was completely blown away by how amazing the sound was. Not only can I make phone calls and people can hear me very well, but listening to music and podcasts, there's no scratchiness, no buzzing, no kind of sound interference at all. It's just clear and crisp, and you can really bump the volume up and it drowns out the sound around you, which I really like. The silicone pieces that fit inside your ear do not hurt. They're very soft and comfy, and they send different sizes so that you can get the right ones for your size ear. I like that the cord is a little bit thicker because I am constantly tangling wires, and this one keeps it from getting tangled, which definitely helps to cut down on frustration for me. I'm just really pleased with the set of headphones. They are definitely my favorite, and that's my point of view.